Hey y'all, welcome back to Cajun Country Living. Today we're going to be doing something that's a little out of our norm, but we're going to be comparing two power stations side by side. The two power stations that we're going to be trying against one another is the DJI Power 1000 and the Ecoflow Delta 2. Now both of these power stations are in the 1000 watt hour class, and both of these power stations that you see before me are both rated at 1024 watt hours, so it should be a really good comparison. Now the reason we chose these two power stations to compare is that we feel like it's about the right size if you like to go camping, any kind of outdoor activities where you want as much power as you can, but small and compact as you could get by with. Having used quite a few of these things, the first thing that I noticed about the DJI Power 1000 is that all of the ports are on the front. So in my opinion, you'd be able to put it in a lot more confined area because everything would be accessible in the very front. The Ecoflow Delta 2 has ports on each side. So if you put this thing in a corner, you're only going to have one side accessible at a time. But if that's never going to be an issue for you and the way you'd use it, then that portion's kind of irrelevant. Now the DJI Power 1000 comes in, it weighs about 28 pounds. The Ecoflow Delta 2 weighs at about 27 pounds. So they're really similar in weight, pretty similar in size. So first of all, let's talk about AC power. On the DJI Power 1000, you have two plug-ins on the front of here. However, on the Ecoflow Delta 2, you have 6 in total. In my opinion, in this category, the Ecoflow Delta 2 has more options and ease of use as far as plug-ins go. On the DJI Power 1000, you'd have to have a power strip and expand from there. Now the DJI Power 1000, like we said earlier, is rated at 1024 watt hours. This unit can continuously run 2200 watts and can reach a peak of 4400 watts. That's pretty impressive. It can only stay there for a couple seconds, but it can achieve that. So if you have some sort of item that requires a lot of starting wattage and then comes back down to a smooth operable rate, this power station can handle that. Now the Ecoflow Delta 2 is also rated at 1024 watt hours. It can only continuous run at 1800 watts and receive a peak up to 2700 watts. And both of these units utilize a lithium iron phosphate battery to be able to transfer that power. Now let's talk about AC charging. The DJI Power 1000 can charge from 0 to 100 in 70 minutes. And the Ecoflow Delta 2 can charge from 0 to 100% in 80 minutes. So they're both pretty comparable as far as charging using AC power. And for solar charging, the DJI Power 1000 can receive up to 800 watts of solar power and charge in 90 minutes. The Ecoflow Delta 2 can only take up to 500 watts of solar charging. But as far as solar charging goes, the Ecoflow Delta 2 does have a built-in controller that'll receive solar power just from plugging in the panels. Now as far as the DJI Power 1000, you have to buy the power controller separately and it attaches right to the side. So it is an add-on. And both of these units can also be charged with DC power. So a car plug-in, anything that will let you receive 12 volt power, and it charges from about 0 to 100% in around 90 minutes. And we found that both of these units were pretty comparable in that time. Now with DJI as a company, they're really well known for their drones and drone technology, which brings us to these two DC ports. They offer charge adapters that fits their aircraft that you can plug straight into here as a DC port and charge directly instead of having to use an AC adapter and convert that power to DC. Because if you had an AC adapter hooked into here, you would end up using about 20% more power just to be able to convert that AC power to DC power. And they thought of that whenever they did this. One of the really cool things about this DJI Power 1000 is you can charge from 600 watts to 1200 watts in the flip of a switch. And if you're not in immediate need for power, the more you can charge on 600 watts is the longer that this unit is going to last and be efficient for years to come. Now, if you need power and you need it recharged in a hurry, flip it over to 1200 watts and charge it up in a hurry. The Ecoflow Delta 2 offers 2 ports of USB-C charging at 100 watts. And it also has 4 USB-A ports. 2 of those ports can provide power for 18 watts, and the other two at 12 watts. Now the difference with the DJI Power 1000 is the USB-C ports offer up to 140 watts of power, and the two USB-A ports offer up to 24 watts of power. With the USB-C 140 watt fast charging capability, we were able to charge this phone from 3% to nearly a full charge in only 30 minutes. So in comparison to the two, you have less ports on the DJI Power 1000 than you do on the Ecoflow Delta 2, but you have a lot more power output with the DJI Power 1000, which means you're going to be sitting there for a lot less time waiting for your device to charge. Now look, we live in the swamps of South Louisiana, and if we're really going to put these things to the test, I know the numbers are important, but we're going to fry some fish. We're going to see how these things stand up using two fryers in the middle of nowhere, and let's just see how they perform. The first power station up to bat is going to be the Ecoflow Delta 2. We're going to power both of these fryers up, and we're going to see what kind of consumption this unit actually has. And if y'all watched our last fishing video, y'all remember where this fish came from. It's made full circle. So as you can see right here, we're at 100%. So we're starting off from max capacity. I'm going to turn this fryer on, let it start warming up. So right now with the one deep fryer, it's running at 943 watts and it's showing 57 minutes of runtime. Now we're going to be cooking our fries in this air fryer, and we're going to get it warmed up and see how much load it pulls. Now with both fryers running, it's running at about 1796 watts, and it's estimating that we have 28 minutes of runtime. While the Ecoflow is in operation, it's showing that it's running at about 58 decibels. So that's one of the things you got to keep in mind is how loud is this unit going to be while it's operating. Now here we have the DJI Power 1000. You can see it's at 100% on charge. Now with just the deep fryer going, it's showing about the same thing, a little over 970 watts. Now we're going to hook up the air fryer. Now we're pretty steady, set in at pulling about 1525 watts. Now the DJI is saying that we can run at this capacity for about 32 minutes. And the DJI Power 1000 is running at around 41 decibels, so you can see the operation is much quieter. Well, in conclusion to our little swamp test here with the Ecoflow Delta 2 and the DJI Power 1000, they both performed pretty well. But I will have to say that the DJI Power 1000 superseded the Ecoflow in our opinion because it was quieter to operate, it had an obviously longer runtime, and it was more powerful that you could see right there on the graphs. Now there's only really a couple things left to note that I would like to mention. Now the Ecoflow Delta 2 does have expansion capabilities, meaning you can pair two of these units together to give you a lot longer runtime, but that does come at a cost. You have to buy another unit and an attachment cable, where the DJI Power 1000 does not have that capability yet. As far as ease of handling, both units have handles on each side that makes them both pretty easy to carry around and move to where you want them. But the DJI Power 1000, I just thought this was a really cool add-on. A travel bag. And not only does this travel bag make it really convenient for packing the power station, you can actually leave the power station in the bag and operate it because it has two foldable unzipped sides that allow for airflow, and the front comes open and unzips and folds back for ease of use for any of the power situations that you might need. So Cajun family, if you're looking for a power station that is in this range, it is our opinion that the DJI Power 1000 is the best fit as far as function, power, and quiet operation.